said it's going to get down to negative 50 degrees tonight, but it's currently 50 degrees right now. Ooh, they lying. Oil maintenance required soon. Perfect. So before we head to our camping spot for tonight, we're going to go grab some lunch. Pretty hungry. I've been fasting since yesterday, so...
Yeah, and he's been craving a burrito.
I've been craving a burrito. So we're going to go to one of the best spots in Lomont for burritos, which is Blue Corn Tacos, in my opinion. And they are super delicious. Super, super delicious. And it's currently 50 degrees now, so that's kind of crazy that it's supposed to get down to negative 50, 60 tonight. You can see the storm coming in.
Yeah, look at the mountains.
Beautiful mountains. That burrito was delicious. Hello.
How are we doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good, what can I get started for you?
Can we do a large green iced tea
Okay.
with sugar-free vanilla, sugar-free raspberry, extra sweet, and then light ice?
Okay.
I think that was
Anything
it
else?
for that one, right? Can I do a small iced, like a white mocha, like a peppermint white mocha? Can you do them? Can you do it all sugar-free? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I was just thinking if I could, the flavors were going through my head.
Yeah,
I
okay.
can.
Okay. And then can you add the candy cane, like the soft top that you would use for like the candy cane drinks?
Do you want
with
the sprinkles too? Got you.
Sorry, she's a pain.
No.
I'm just teasing.
Perfect. I loved it.
Thank
Keep
you.
telling me
Thank
more.
you. I was gonna ask about the milks, but I won't go that far. I won't go that far. We'll leave
Anything
it.
else for you guys?
No.
No, that's it.
All right, let me go ahead and scan that bad boy for you.
All those cool stickers.
Those ones are cool.
So normally they say something because my name on the Dutch Brother app is Sexy Beast. So I'm a little disappointed they didn't say anything this time. Because normally they're like, hey, what's up, Sexy Beast? And it's like, but this time they didn't say anything. It makes me sad. Pretty good. I got to clean this garage. It is a mess. So last night when we were at Walmart, we saw this. So we picked up this for 15 bucks to put on our bed in the 4Runner. We also grabbed these for tonight in case of emergencies. So they should work pretty well. Right, let's get this all ready. This is one of my favorite blankets. When me and Megan went to New Mexico, we bought this blanket. I'll let you go.
Well, no, I was just trying.
Nice. This is waterproof. It helps like with a bunch of stuff with like mold and all that stuff and airflow, so this should be good. And then it'll hide dog hair. That's the thing I like about it. Test this, make sure this blanket works. Alright, well this works, so. Heated blanket, good. We're also gonna have friends and family that knows where we're at in case of emergencies. It's super important in this kind of cold weather coming up. I know, it's still like about 48 degrees right now, so it's weird that it's gonna get that cold tonight. I'm a little worried about our battery season, our battery's freezing, if I can talk. But I think we should be okay because the diesel heater hopefully will stay good and we don't have to worry about the diesel heater or the batteries freezing. I hate opening up this stuff sometimes. Ooh. Yeah, hopefully that sticks.
We got it pretty even.
Well, I hope it sticks, but there we go. Pretty cool, huh? God, this hurts my foot so bad. Alright, we should be good. I don't think we're gonna need this, but we're gonna bring it just in case for emergencies. So before we take off, we got a doctor, little chunky boy right here. He got an owie on his chin, and oh, poor baby. Yeah, it was infected. It was a good thing I saw it, and we've been doctoring it and trying to get it better. It's kind of in a bad spot. He might have to go to the vet, but Grandma's gonna watch him for tonight, and hopefully that little owie gets better. Oh, here, ready to go. Try to do this quick because everyone's road raging and almost hitting into each other. Oh, people. So these people are yelling at each other. We're blocked because these people tried to come in this other way when they're not supposed to. So we're trying to get out, and then these two people are fighting at each other. Oh man, look at that storm is coming, boys. She a coming. No, I don't mean that, like, yeah, I don't know. Don't take that the wrong way. The storm's coming. I don't know, I'm just gonna stop talking.
Well, it's a good thing we decided to buy some camping wood.
Yeah. Do they have...
They do.
Oh, they do.
They do. I just saw someone had a big stack of firewood.
Okay. Oh, we even have like a little shelter thing and everything.
There is our spot. How exciting.
Beautiful. If you guys ever want to come camp where we're at right now, it's St. Vrain State Park, just right off Highway 19, 119 and I-25 at the Firestone Longmont exit. Beautiful place. I can't get over how beautiful this spot is. We've lived here all our lives and never...
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so the wind is coming this way right now, so it's heading west. So I'm gonna actually flip the vehicle around and face this way because I don't want the cold air coming into the engine and getting colder, the engine getting colder, if that makes sense. So, oh my god, actually we're getting a dust storm coming.
It's dust.
I think we have to get inside the vehicle. Oh. So it was pretty crazy. We've showed you guys what it looked like the storm was coming in from the mountains from the west. That's not where the storm was actually coming from. It just came from the east, and it just hit us really hard out of nowhere. And the temperature probably just dropped literally 15-20 degrees within a few minutes. So when we just came into the park literally about 10 minutes ago, this right here said 42 degrees, and it literally dropped that much that quick with this Arctic cold blast that just came in within a few minutes. It's cold. It is super cold out there. Whew, we gotta get set up. We were supposed to be here 2 hours ago, but with everyone traffic and everyone being crazy out there, we're 2 hours late. So now we're struggling to get ready, but we're gonna do it. The wind is like just cutting through my gloves and my jacket, which is crazy. But
I don't even have my gloves on yet.
She don't even have her gloves on yet.
Tips are frozen.
Well, you better get that stuff on because they're saying you'll get frostbite within 5 to 10 minutes of being out in this. So
by 6 o'clock, it's gonna be negative 17 degrees.
By 6 o'clock, negative 17. So
2 hours.
2 hours. So we really gotta get set up. I gotta get this diesel heater filled up. Oh man, this is crazy. All right, let's go back out there to get stuff set up. Hopefully I don't start sweating, but let's get out there. crazy. What were we thinking? That propane goes.
It's probably in a different bin. Oh, that one.
So I did mess up and I only wore one pair of sweats and I forgot to bring my other pair. We always forget things. Beard's all crazy. It's crazy out there. Really cold.
Okay, if you never have owned an Arc'teryx jacket, they're amazing and they keep you really warm. I feel like if we didn't have these jackets at all, it would be like 10 times worse, but they keep you really warm. We were trying to search for ski masks, but everyone probably took them everywhere we went. So we decided to put these over our mouth and it actually works amazing. These I almost have completely covering my eyes. So the only thing you can see is literally a tiny bit of my eye. And then in the back, it looks kind of fun. I look like a cone head because I have a bun on the top. Anyways, so in the back though, which you can't see, you can tighten it and it's really tight so no air can like get in there. So yeah, like I said, it's really tight right here and it's awesome. So let's go finish this, shall we?
So I was just out there literally like 2 or 3 minutes and my hands just were getting so frozen cold because I had to not wear gloves because I had to fill the diesel heater up. I didn't even have time to record it, and my hands just started freezing like that just because of the wind. So I need to get the diesel heater put up. We're not going to start that diesel heater until probably later. I really hope it doesn't freeze over on us. I'm a little worried about it, but QT said that their gas shouldn't freeze, so, or gel. So I got a pillow in here. Here's where the diesel heater heat will be coming in. Kind of trying to organize right now. It's pretty cold, so we're just organizing and getting things plugged in, and hopefully we can just hunker down for the night, just like this, right, Megan?
Hunker down.
Do we need to get out anymore? Oh, we got to tie down the diesel heater, right?
Yeah, and then I could probably do that.
No.
And then we need to get the jet boil thing.
The jet boil's under here.
I know, but do I need to open the door to be able to open that, or can I get it from here?
I don't know if we, well, while I'm laying on it, we can't, but these lights look pretty cool though. I like how the lights look. But yeah, so I just need to get organized. All right, we're a little bit more organized now. Lights, amazing. So the storm is just coming in really bad. We got to go out there and strap the diesel heater down. So I got to get dressed back up because it's already dropped down to 21 degrees, but it's saying right now it feels like -2 degrees. That wind is just, it's like so cutting. It just like cuts through everything. The jackets we got work pretty well, but it's like cutting through my my gloves. Sorry. Got the Christmas lights on too. I'll show you guys the Christmas lights. It's pretty cool. And this is the hard part about switching from a van to a 4Runner. It's harder to get ready. Makes you miss the van, but those good reasons why we got rid of the van for the 4Runner. So there's good reasonings behind it. Reliability. We went through like 2 transmissions in that van before 25K or something like that. So we were like, no, time to get something more reliable. Whew, I turned the heat down for 1 second and it just got like cold. Cold, 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 cold. Look at that setup. Got our Christmas lights on. We're out here freezing cold. Okay, bye, Megan. You can stay out here for the night.
I don't think so.
We wanted to do a fire, but I don't think we could do the fire tonight.
No way.
Wow, it is cold. In the bag?
Or you just hang me.
Oh man, okay. We're just getting kind of settled in. I'm a little worried that we are getting water coming in, so I'm just gonna roll up both the front windows. We do have one back window that's still cracked. I hope that's good enough. Hopefully that will be good enough. Man. Ay caramba.
Sometimes
We're already what?
Sometimes camping doesn't always go to plan,
No.
and that's okay.
Okay, so right now we're already at 14 degrees, and that was another 10-degree drop within what, an hour? So you can see all the snow. Okay, so I don't know how long that diesel heater would run on a full tank. Filled it all the way to the top, so I don't really want to start it just yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and run it for just a few minutes on very high, just to make sure it's working okay, and then hopefully later in the night we can turn it on and it'll keep us warm. Still hurts to freaking chew, but me and Megan got these because turn on light here. We got these because if you're craving chips when you're on like a calorie deficit, 16 pieces is 120 calories or 28 grams. It's 120 calories. Not bad.
And they're delicious.
They're delicious. Today I'm not worrying about too much about calorie intake. I've been at around 1,800 calories each day, which is really crazy deficit for my height and weight. So I've been dropping weight pretty quickly, and so when it comes to holidays I'm not going to really worry about it, and then come January 1st I'm dropping down to 1,700 calories a day, trying to get ripped. So still a little disorganized back in. Ugh. Ow, that hurt. So part of the reason why I wanted to do this was just to show that we can survive in extreme weather situations. When we're on the road and traveling full time, you never know when you're going to be in a situation like this. Normally, when we're traveling though, we'll probably go where it's warmer. Like I heard tonight, Florida, tonight or tomorrow is supposed to hit like 20 degrees. That's pretty low for them. But like for example, for winter, we'd be probably in Florida, and wouldn't have to brace this kind of weather, but it's just nice to know we can handle it and be in it and survive in it. Right, Megan?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I had to pee, and unfortunately we picked the farthest spot away from the bathroom, not thinking we were gonna have to run to the restroom, and I'm afraid to go out and try to pee because it might just get frozen like midair. Is that possible? Like, will it freeze up to my... Yeah, I don't know. So I'm a little worried. Man. I don't know. Right now, we're currently at 10 degrees. And they're saying by 2-3 in the morning, we're going to be negative 50 wind chill. And probably around negative, I think it's like 25-30. So we're in for a long night. It's only about 6 p.m. right now. And the snow's starting to really come down more. I'll show you guys. and that snow is supposed to continue all through the night. So we're looking at, they're predicting 4 to 6 inches of snow tonight where we're currently at. I think I mentioned this earlier. We were going to go stay at Red Feather Lakes, but they are going to get a lot more snow, and we didn't want to get stuck because we don't have any recovery gear. So, but we should be good here. We're just kind of just chilling on TikTok right now and hanging out. So we're just going to keep doing that. Pretty soon we're going to get dinner prepared, so we're going to use our jet boil, and I think we're gonna just have to open this up, but we're just gonna have to open this up and quickly do. It's snowing. The snow's coming in. Look how pretty though.
It is really pretty.
We'll have to open that up to cook in here. Should be fun. This isn't good. Got a little light dusting so far. Alright. So it looks like for dinner tonight for me it's going to be beef stew. We've never tried these before. So yeah, I'm excited to try them. Snow's coming in. But we gotta keep the stuff correct.
So yeah, it doesn't take long to boil. So.
Go ahead and open this part up too. There you go. Looks like dog food.
It does. Gotta remove that. It smells good.
Ooh, that smells really good.
Yeah.
It's gonna be hard to put the water in there though, without spilling it on yourself. Guess you can open the door and then.
I don't need to, I'll be fine.
Alright, look at that muscle. It's really beautiful and peaceful out. We were doing a jellyfish rave though in here earlier. I don't know, maybe we need to close this window a little more. It's coming in on my side more than your side, huh? There we go. Let's keep my side closed. If we die, we die. Look at that.
Yeah, so you stir it. Oh, it smells good. Okay.
I turn this, oh man. It's starting to look like Christmas out there. So beautiful. Is that what this sit there for?
So it's been like 2 minutes, so let it sit for 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
And then what was your flavor again after that?
Lasagna with meat sauce, and then we both got the egg scramble.
Oh yeah, and then we also got breakfast for in the morning,
Yeah.
so that's pretty exciting. Let me sniff it. Ooh.
Yeah, it looks really good.
It does.
Yeah, we'll see. Pretty cool.
I'm so excited to try these. We've never tried them. I also want to get some MREs to try. Should order some MREs.
Should have gotten the ice cream sandwich. How does that work? I don't know how that works, but no, I'll just sit that there. I think I'll soak it all up.
I don't know how these work. That is still hot.
Good?
Mm-hmm. So good. This was like the perfect thing to get for this kind of night. Because we thought about cooking, but then we're like, I don't know how we'd be out cooking in this right now. It'd be impossible. I'll probably buy some of these just to keep in our bins. How's yours?
I was gonna give you a bite.
You can give me a bite.
Ready?
How do they do this with food? How is this? Like, what do they do?
Just put it in a dehydrator.
Oh, a dehydrator.
Yeah, so if you noticed, everyone's, you have to use your spoon. Everything on, like, TikTok and stuff, they do dehydrated candy.
Mm-hmm.
They just take the candy and put it in a dehydrator.
Yeah.
And then it, yeah.
It's like perfect for this kind of night. I gotta say, I'd rate these probably like 8 out of 10.
That's good.
Really good. I wish we had got our window covers in before the holidays, but we didn't. And so that's what kind of sucks with this lights is everyone can see in when we have the lights on. But we ordered those WeatherTech window covers that you put in so no one can see in, and it helps keep the heat inside too.
Oh, of course I have sauce on you.
Really wish we had those window covers right now, especially for like this window, because I can just feel all this cold air just like coming in. So we bought these Roku lights. They're pretty cool. I like them. Hopefully they stay on this though. I think we're just gonna chill and play some games, maybe watch a movie. Yeah, the snow's coming down pretty good right now. Wanted to go outside and film more, but to be honest, I really don't want to go outside. It's so cold. It's like, I think they were saying like if you're out there for longer than like 5 minutes and you have exposed skin, you can get frostbite. Literally within 5 minutes. And I don't know about you guys, but I really don't want to get out there and get frostbite. So I think we're just going to sit here and hopefully we don't have to use the bathroom. Especially number 2. Because then we're going to have to walk. Because Megan picked the furthest.
No, I didn't. That's the one you wanted.
Megan picked the furthest one away from bathrooms.
You picked the
Good
furthest
thinking,
one.
Megan.
You picked it.
No, you sleep in front. This is
No,
my
I don't
backpack.
think so.
This is
You
my
sleep in
backpack.
front. Is it?
Are you okay?
Is it glitched or something?
Oh, it glitched. There we go. So we'll open this one. I already picked that one. I know it's not good for your vehicle, but I'm almost so tempted to just let the 4Runner run all night. Just because when it gets to -50, I think it's going to be at like 4 or 5 in the morning. I can't remember exactly what time it's supposed to hit that. And I'm just worried that the car might not start. That's the only thing I'm worried about. Oh, Megan's opening her gift. What she got? Oh, I already got that one.
Yeah. No, I haven't.
These are so good.
Goes right over it that you have to take in order to get in here. But it is
Getting tired already. It's so comfortable in here. Just cleaned the window off. We're still getting some really good snow out there. So right now it is negative 16 degrees. Crazy. So we're still staying warm in the vehicle, but we're just keeping it started and running. Not using much gas at all. But these 4Runners, man, they're built like a tank. They'll last forever. So I'm not too worried about running it overnight if we do run it overnight. But oh man, it's so comfortable. I don't know what it is. It's just like, it's just, let me turn this down. It's just like so relaxing and just so calming and peaceful, and it snow's falling and we're just in here watching YouTube, watching movies, you know. Stop messing with it.
No, I'm pulling hair out from underneath it.
Stop pulling on it. You're gonna mess it up.
Hair.
Spike's hair is everywhere. Poor Spikey, he has an infection. I feel bad for him. Alright, look at that. We're streaming. We're streaming on Twitch, huh, Megan? We got the diesel heater going, so I didn't want to start it too early, but I figured, oh well, might as well, right? Might as well, Megan. Is it coming in there nice and warm?
Yes, it's warm back here.
My only concern is it's not going to be warm enough going downwards onto the battery system, so the battery system may freeze over during the night, and then that means we have no diesel here, and that means we do not have electric blankets. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully it stays warm enough in here where it doesn't freeze. Don't want to have an electrical fire, which this should be there. Wow. Super cold, but it is like really pretty out here right now. Man, it is beautiful out here. I think Megan and I are gonna lay down and watch a movie. Got a good solid like 2 or 3 inches already, so looks like it is gonna snow a lot. Yeah, so if you guys ever want to watch us live on Twitch, we're gonna start live streaming more on there. You can look me up, #xbrowns182. So if you guys want to watch us live, I'll be on there doing some live content. Yeah. So I have this fan pointed down into the battery system. So hopefully I have the heater going this way. So hopefully some of this heat hits in here, it goes down into the battery part, and then this too helps blow the heat this way. Hopefully it works well. I am getting snow though, and through right here, which really sucks, because now it's getting like wet right here where I'm sleeping. But should be okay. I think the snow is supposed to calm down here shortly, hopefully. But it looks like they're saying that the forecast is saying that we're gonna be getting possibly 8 inches of snow where me and Megan are currently at. So it's kind of changing by the hour, so who knows how much we're really gonna get. Yeah, I think it's time to watch some Violent Night is what we're gonna watch. Looks pretty decent. I guess we're just gonna buy it for $24. Yeah, so it's currently almost midnight and we're down to about negative 20 degrees around there. I think by 4 a.m. that's when it's supposed to be negative 50. But I don't know if you guys probably see out there. Let me just get there. Got a lot of snow out there. Yeah, I'm just letting the 4Runner warm up again and to get a lot of heat on the battery system, and then I'm gonna ramp, just like make it really hot in here to just shut everything down, keep the diesel heater running for the night, the electric blanket going, and I think we should be good, hopefully, and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, we are gonna try to lay down and go to sleep, and we'll see you guys in the morning.
Good night.
Good night. Well, good morning, guys. Got down to think about last time I checked, it was like negative 30. Not sure how. I don't want to get up. I'm not sure how low it got to. Last I checked was like negative 30, but it's time to get up and make some breakfast. Because I know the diesel heater is probably getting close to running out of fuel, so that's not good. And probably should start the car, let the engine run up. Alright, so just got it started and it was like so I'm surprised it started. But it did. Wakey. This idea worked though last night. So I had the heat going to these fans. One's coming back here. This one's blowing air down in there. They kept our battery systems warm. Look how beautiful it is out there. Like, God. I'm just so comfortable, I don't want to get up. I don't know why. Just don't want to get up. I could sleep all day in here, really. Socks are still a little cold. I think they kind of got out of the blanket. Okay, I'll heat them up quickly. Megan. All the snow just fell on me.
It's honestly not as bad as I thought it was going to be out here. Well, when you leave your face out for a little while, it starts to get pretty cold. But the sun is shining, so that helps. David's lucky enough he doesn't have to get out in the middle of the night to go pee. I'm kind of stubborn, so I decided that I wasn't going to drink much liquids, and I was just going to try to survive the night without having to get up in the middle of our small blizzard and go pee. So, kind of regretting it in the morning. So it was super comfortable inside. It was, I just woke up and I just did not feel good for some reason. My boogers are frozen. But, I'm walking over to use the restrooms now. It wasn't too far of a walk, but I think it would have been worse last night, so I'm here now. I'm the only one in here, so it's okay to record, but let me tell you, I feel so gross. Unfortunately, I didn't bring a brush or really like a good hair tie. I didn't bring clips. I didn't bring anything, so I look like I have a rat's nest for hair Oh well, the joys of camping, right? I knew it was only gonna be for one night, so I didn't like go all extreme, but I almost wish I would have bought a brush. I've let my hair grow out so stinking long every 2 years, and I love having long hair, but dang, it's a mess. It feels good. I don't have paper towels in here, but it's okay. Alrighty, let's go back out. We just really look forward to doing more stuff like this. It's nice to have full hookups too. Even though we live in a 4Runner, it's nice to have short power because we can plug in all of our batteries, so that way they stay charged and nice, and they can charge all of our stuff. So the diesel heater is pretty fantastic. It works. So for all of you guys who are moving into your vehicle or anything like that, and you're worried that you're not going to be able to stay warm in winter, get a diesel heater. You can find them on Amazon. They're just extremely good buy. I know it can be kind of scary to buy one. I know some people have actually ordered them, and then they came in not working, but I don't think you have to worry about it. But they really come in handy, like really come in handy. So look what we did, you know. We it's getting cold. We camped out in this horrible, cold, but yet very beautiful and serene weather. We made it back. We didn't freeze. David has the 4Runner all warm and toasty. And look at it, it's gorgeous, huh?
So for breakfast this morning, we are gonna do these breakfast skillets. What one did you get? Breakfast skillet.
I had the same one.
Turn this heated blanket off. Last night, man, this heated blanket did so well for us. And I had it on medium, and I woke up sweating, and I had to put it on low. And I had to put the diesel heater on low too, because I was like, oh man, I'm like sweating. Alright, should be ready to eat. Ooh, hot. Careful. It's very hot. That's pretty good. I recommend these. These are good. Breakfast was so good. Now I just gotta get this kind of packed up, ready to go. Beautiful. Alright guys, well, we're all packed up and ready to go. Gotta go to the gym and work out and get some things done in town. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys for coming on here and checking out our videos. We appreciate it. More camping and travel videos to come. And thank you guys for all the subscribers and likes and comments. We appreciate it. And we'll see you guys on the next video.
Bye.
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 Bye.